there is no club or yard there with highlights of the game or the quality camera at the game so than Mediama. And this only Mediama bar. Say, highlights them, but they will bring the highlights. Rich, if you watch the highlight of the game, Doe has won. And it's a way go now. Fan say that Brony Becker say you go out of nowhere, but it is good. I am sure say how to them say only do 1-0. Ne approach ni suba or the bubble ball no a change kaka because or your head all risky bebre ne akwa kwate kaniade. But Rich, Mediama after conceding the goal, the rest of the minutes, it was all about them. And it's how your house in here, you will not really be comfortable with the win. Do win number. Especially when Ubo Fie. But Rich, is it that has supporters now more Casano? They are not being real. And I say, almost expectations are too high. Because Ubekaya, Tamana has airco takwa. Rick Saturn, the medium from never has form. Obia thought, oh, medium were going to bury House of Folk Meboa. Sa game no. Has won 2-0, but medium dominated the game Meboa. By the way, what is asking because oh, your boy never need to complaining. And it is the same thing. And then once we see it, me Rich, me makase. Some players now has won. Rich, it will be very, very difficult for them to dominate any good team in Ghana. Has players no more. It will be very, very difficult for House of Folk to dominate any good team in Ghana. And Mr. Romo, they should take the win and be happy about it. I just require Rich. Say, come games on my body in last Saturday, now I say has last 4 games are no more.
Almost 1 point.
No more 1 point. So come to your guy and the result send you guy in Henry against media mayor. So come in bar. And they should take it like that. It wasn't any small team, yeah, it was media man. And we've seen even has at home lose to even smaller teams. Her former dreams FC woman they say has. Sometimes dreams na your team sebi papa bi no ma soja bia but they were able to beat us. Sha other teams bi o ma ba Accra Sports Stadium and Lagos Sports Stadium o ma team has Aisha omo. But if you been able to beat Mediama, I think they should be okay. Look, me share 90 minutes Kpando out of Lions against Kotoko. Rich Coach Ogum. Oh yes, stubborn. Rich, this season, Heart of Lions abesha Kotoko obuase. Last game, Pando Heart of Lions boy, and son of Mobile Kotoko game. Omako lusu away. And the coach is Bashiru Hayford. Now, yesterday game now. Even though Kotoko share first goal, but Rich, you could clearly see say Kotoko ba or Mobile Kwame Poku any Abet Amwa as 2 strikers or anymore. Now a short Kotoko midfielders. Because in the middle of the park, especially central midfield no, na aka play any intimate nupe. There were sometimes that who say Abanti for the Patekesiedu as inverted fullback. But Rich na ontimi mbonu gidi because Heart of Lions our wingers are omoye nkra omoye sharp. Enti de bia no aso be fifi kakra na no was go back to the position. There were a lot of pressure on Intimate Justice play. And he said, no, I just want to game be. Heart of Lions dominated Kotoko. Bomb passes. There is this guy called Ishmaelado. Rich. The guy is a delight to watch. In the middle of the park for Pando Heart of Lions, you know. According in Bobo.
On a GMVP, no.
Me say Enra. Seboni Kutana. Bleo intimate. You can win the ball off him. I used to pass it. Now, me say game now. Rich, I thought say, especially after Kotoko, enya sa go from Bleno. because now Heart of Lions are dominating Kotoko Sanu, especially when 50 na minim say Ogum wo say okay, so my taking lead in there. Me ba second half no. Me my team no go under pressure. Enti me pull off one striker. Na me dey an additional midfielder in Abia Tenedu and I say change am na. Abeka inti menu na obatimi free Blake kakra. No watimi agina home no wa ye adwuma as the main number 6 with Tenedu and inti menu manim. I think say in my opinion there nanka saa de no betimi abro Kotoko. But Rich, Ogum didn't do that. Ogum came in the second half after watching Kotoko every in the first half no. Still now no at the same formation by Anche and a Heart of Lions in South Africa na omutu ya omko head share no. Rich, even after Heart of Lions Attica no, Ogum still went with 2 strikers. Look at the time Aoyi Amidu Akwamu film. But ye pon game no with Kwame Poku and Albert Ama. I don't think that's what Ogum voice now. Na all can say game no at a point in time and the year diama for him na Ojidisa obe rely on counter attack. Rich throughout the game na me catch him in Kotoko for be say bona Ogum bono a high risk football no obono or bossa because on him say it is either Pano Heart of France beshano and I say baku betia faso now with the 2 strikers no what me take advantage of it na e ka krabi me upon Rich oyi Emmanuel Chifrimu and odi baba ya bae Rich pinchen Kotoko nya counter attack bi Kotoko had as many as 4 players na ka Pano Heart of Lions player baku pese na baba ya na so obo pass bi ama betamu a ana pass ne ball Heart of Lions defender and 9 which and kasa pass ni go through and by this time Quebec as a Kotoko as a Heart of Lions so na a high risk football and a Ogum Ekobo you know and I went to me enya points in but Ogum miss so boy no boy any day against Bashir Hayford who on any normal day would dominate you that to play 2 strikers and leave on midfielders no 2 in central midfield there. You are always going to be dominated by Team IFN out of line, especially when even the assistant coach to Bashir Hayford, Daniel J, who is a proper midfielder. Now only the way injury room no, you see Rich, and now Kotoko were lucky to come out of Pando with 1 point. And Rich, how crucial is our point in here? Only say before game na course wo 2 ba no na ensam ne namiem say oh you say baby any go stars any dreams edim komo and that omo the game me I knew they were mind games. I'm on a certain platform with coach Karim Zito and before the game na Karim Zito say enu mebu o ya ye de gu ye league ni ho fiend do and edim unnecessary tension na eba onu no ye coach of dreams. And Obia onim ni bia nim say nobody can come and tell him say onu ni dreams na sebi ye starting season na no obre no after o pick momentum no on fie and compromise on the game na say boys ni lose sa ball no na momentum ni sa for mo how does he go back and tell the boy say omon get you himself up Rich anya me wan see starting game no be 30-35 minutes ese dreams are say baby any go stars 2 omo wi adwuma ni intentem kra but Rich Unim say before this weekend, na me were 55-40 in favor of Bebiani Go Stars, some number G League, no. But Rich, if they are going to be abysmal away, so no me against dreams in India, then Omar Ria Kotoko will take the league.
Okay.
Because this weekend, no, na a 2 crucial away games, and the 2 contenders in the echo. But Kotoko were going to a more difficult grounds in Pando, Rich. So no call no to make 1 point back. Now we got 2 against Jews. Obi open league aje. Now man say 2-0 there. Rich, well we are a woman say 3 points we free gym against Swatramande. But answer the game ni be do hono. Sa Kotoko timi bo home game 3 points, away 1. Home 3 points, away 1. No baby any 80 minutes and done it. The away performance in any dia. Rich and we are then the trophy will be heading towards Team IFN Kotoko. And there's a nations in Bob Ewa Brankesi against Karela.
Yeah.
Very, very difficult game. So we say Coach Ahmed do the Oba. Or you're very, very tactical. And nations here, one of the teams are Rich when he won say oh meseno if you obekono gwa kototo papa. So if Nation want to come back into the conversation, so met the league need their Rich, they should beat Team IFN Karela and Ewo Abrankesi hono.
After week 26, we league at the Kotoko did count 46 points. Baby, any goal stars at Tosumi 44. How's the work about Tosumi and Omo 40. Nations our game Omo born in there. Omo our 39. Bichem Etosunum 39. Pan out of lands Etosun 38. Medium Etosun 38. Dreams Abatosun Watche 36. Samatas Etosun 35. Brekum Chelsea Tosudu 32. Ediana Dubako 32. Basaka All Stars Etosudu Mienu 30. Young Apostle Omotosu Dumiensa 30 points. Vision MC Tosu Edu 9 28. Karela Obo Nations Neno Owo Aye Edunum 25 points. Relegation Bon Kanimino Akalans 23. Legon City 22. And Instructor Owo Aye 15 points. Enti ahonsam no mi bia lines no na Monsuma Baba Chamadwen but
Terrible breaking news. Terrible one. How about your friend Enes Nhyira? Enes Nhyira of Olympic Lyon and Black Stars.
Yeah.
Rich, I don't pay information about say when you ACL. Until or you ruled out for the rest of the season.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Before me be alliance na mabamu no. Nyame ya adoma. 1 week of Yewura. Mr. Kofi Amponsa Ifa. Ono na mobekaya adura ya tuni din eye efac eba ye numu ya so ti o ya se den ono ya na ekono papa yi ono na ye managing director edi ema eye Amponsa Ifa meka say ye papa enso eda from nyame eye adoma ukwada edi anim ya on the 9th na 1 week jumadi no eba so ewo Mispa Vine Arc school ewo Kentin Krono nsene enti abusua ese yan kankyere eye obia adofo ene ejamfo se nyame eye adoma ukwada yi anopa no anondu na abusua no atena se akopem se eye no nan anwumre enso ebebo na abusua no ebetena se na 1 week of Yewura Kofi Amponsa Ifa dwumadie no enso etimi abaso yesi de osu no enye ono na eyi naniwa asidusu enti na ne enkwai na enkoboa abusua ma 1 week dwumadie no enso intimi enye kama pa abusua no so moto msa adefobia. All right, 3220 83521 83582 83588